Accuracy and reliability are extremely important to the team at Arable. All farmers generally know that there's variability between fields. We've seen even within a 200-acre radius that plants can have different amount of sunlight, they can have different thermal units, and weather, especially precipitation, is highly variable. So to get accurate crop models on plant performance, you need the measurements taken directly from your field.
Arable makes that data collection very simple, and they really demystified the process of collecting data in the field.
It's super expensive to be able to have labor check fields and scout fields. There was a real challenge in having hyper-accurate information at a relatively low cost. The Arable solution is really powered by the Arable Mark. It is an in-field IoT device that is measuring the weather and plant parameters. There's no wires. It has a solar panel in the device. It installs in about 5 minutes. You just need a post, and then it's a single button push to connect to the cellular network. Data immediately begins transmitting to our servers and appears within 5 minutes in your web and mobile apps. It's downloadable through CSV, Excel, and accessible through APIs.
We need weather data. We need plant production data. We know how the plant's reacting to the weather and to the soil and to the water.
Side-by-side comparisons with other weather products, we've been 350% more accurate in predicting frost. This is really important to growers, especially in colder climates, as frost damage can wipe out the entire profitability of the season. So being able to send an alert to the field team in order to mitigate that risk is super important to driving crop outcomes and profitability. The Arable Mark measures everything you would expect from traditional weather analytics: temperature, relative humidity, precipitation, solar radiation, but then we also measure plant outcomes. So things like leaf wetness, accumulated leaf wetness, NDVI, chlorophyll indices, and crop evapotranspiration. But then we can also integrate more devices, pressure switches, soil moisture probes, and anemometers to have a complete data set about the weather, the plant, and the soil. We provide the most robust analytics, the highest grade information about your plants and the weather in your fields that are going to optimize yield outcomes and profitability.